Dear listener, this is Osim from ittechbd.com. Today I am going to show you how to create domain user in Windows Server 2016. Client server network के one more server can have. So this server under have many user and workstation. So if any user work under this server, so this user need create username or password. When from workstation user work, then user use this server created username and password by user logging from workstation. So today I am going to show you how to create domain user in Windows Server 2016. Go to often use server manager. This is server manager dashboard here. Go to tools. Here you see active directory users and computers. You click here, then here come active directory users and computers dialog box. Also another way you can come active directory user and computer wizard. So I close this one, minimize this one, go to run. Here you write dsa dot msc, then press enter. See, come before we create domain name ittechbd.com. This here you this drop down click, then click users, right click, then go click new, then click users. Now you write here your user name and login name. So one server under or one company have 100 or 100 more employee. So every employee work under at least one server under work. So which user work? So if 100, you need create 100 username and password. You create server, then user logging from him computer or workstation by this username and password. Later I will show you how can give permission, set restriction, everything step by step. I will show you. Now I am going to show you how to create user in under domain Windows Server 2016. So you write here username. I write one username, Edwin. So you can write last name, this one. If you need, you can write, no problem. So this is important, user login name. When user login from workstation, then he use this username. So I write same name. This is username. This user I created one server and one server domain name, this one. If one more server have this network under, then or one more domain, child domain have under this server, then showing here. So I created only one domain, so showing this domain under this name. Then click next. Here you write password. Of course you remember this password need complex. If you give normal one, this one not take. So I write here password. Here user must change password at next login. This call server user when login first from workstation is come one box. Here user can change password like this himself. So if you want to checkmark this one, you can checkmark. I don't want to checkmark this one. I uncheck this one. User cannot change password. Then you checkmark here. Password never expired. You can checkmark here. If you want to server administrator call, company administrator call to server administrator, you can disable this account. Then click here, account will disable. Here for showing, here I set normal password. Then you see server this password accept or not. Click next, then click finish. See here showing message Windows cannot set the password for Edwin because the password does not meet the password policy requirements. Check the minimum password length because our password not server policy not meet with server password policy, because here at least you use 6 or 8 character. So now I am going to I give one complex password. You see then click next, then click finish. See now easily user created. So now this is one user. Also I will create another user. Same way, right click, new user. Here I write username Guru, login name same domain under. Do click next, write password, then click next, then finish, then create second user. Need one more user, so I am created one by one. Here I write Rahim, login name same. I can give another login name, no problem. Now I am showing you for same username I give here. If I want to give another user login name, then I can give here domain under next. Same password, then click next, finish. Now third user created with again new user. Later I will set permission on this user, so I need one more user, then I create it, and you can easily understand. Nuzrul, same user login name under domain, then click next, password, click next, then finish, then click. I need also another one user, then I write here username TAEM, time, TAEAM, time, and I write here same login name, then everything same like this before, then click next, uncheck this one, write password, write password same, then click next, then click finish. Dear listener, our how to create domain user in Windows Server 2060 finish. So this is very easy. You just follow me, then you can create easily like this way. Later I will show you how to create global group in Windows Server 2016, how to configure this user properties in Windows Server 2016. So if you feel any problem, please comment me. I will try to solve your problem. If you benefited from this tutorial, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.